Good afternoon, sir. This is me, Sonika Upadhyay of class 9th.
What is your model name?
Sir, my model is based on linear equation and mensuration formula. So, linear equation is an equation with the highest power of variable is 1. When we draw it on a graph, it always forms a straight line. Let's take an example. If we plot x plus y is equal to 6, then x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. And their coordinate is 4, 2. So, here the vertical road equation is x is equal to 0 on y-axis and the horizontal road equation y is equal to 0 on x-axis. Sir?
By using a mensuration formula, we can find this right volume. We can find this right volume for this, the length and volume length in the bottom side.
Sir, by using mensuration formula, we can calculate the volume of the cuboid and later surface area and total surface area. If we volume, it means how much the building occupy the space, and later surface area, how much the building area of 4 walls, later surface area of 4 walls, and total surface area means entire area of including roof, walls, base.
So myself, Anand Prakash from 9B. He is Chitu Salwa from 9B. I am Shri Pandit. So we have made this project of solar hybrid inverter, and it's a digitally connected model. It's a non-feeder solar inverter. You can get all the readings about it and all the information we have created it. This is an handmade PCB. We have ordered it and then we have assembled it in here. And this is the fuse box. We can get all the indications here. We can handle up to 150 watt and we load on this. And we have two batteries of 48, which give us a backup of 7 hours on no solar power without sunlight. On solar power, we can give it.
Online, offline green.
No, sir, this is I think almost 80% handmade.
It is online grid, offline grid. Offline, right? Because the battery, the charge is stored in the battery.
Yes.
Once it is online grid, the battery is not required.
Yes.
Right? Directly it can go through the circuits.
Yes.
Good. Very good.
It is a model in which we can find the height of any building without using any measuring device. First, we have to know what is angle of elevation. The angle between the line of sight and the base from the base of the building to the point of sight is called angle of elevation. And first, we have to know that what is the base of the building from the base of the building to point of sight, and the angle between these both things, and then we will use tan theta because we have to find the heights and we know the base, so we will use tan 30 degree, which is equal to 1 upon root 3, and
First of all, tomorrow you need to mention your project name.
okay, sir.
Right?
Yes.
Mark all the names here and there.
Okay, sir.
What this is what, this is what. So the nomenclature should be there.
Sir, I started this project yesterday. Believe that.
My name is Riyash Srivastav. I am from class 9B and this is our model circulatory system. So sir, the red blood is oxygenated blood and the blue blood is deoxygenated blood. So sir, the pulmonary arteries take out the deoxygenated blood from the heart, and the normal arteries give the oxygenated blood to the heart.
My name is Darshika Yadav and I am in class 6C, and my name is Anamika and I am from class 6B. This is the types of graph, and now she will tell about mine. A bar graph is a pictorial representation of data by using the rectangular bars. Now she will tell about pictograph. This is pictograph, and a pictograph is used the visual way to represent data using pictures and symbols. Now she will tell you about a histogram is a graphical representation of data. So we have made a model in kilometer, which is used to measure the length and the angle of elevation. First we use this lever to measure angle of inclination, which is 30 degrees in this case. The length of the stand is 9 centimeters and the length of the base from this building is 60 centimeters.
As we know, a relation exists in trigonometry that tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. So this much height of the building is equal to the stand, which is 9 centimeters. So if we want to calculate the height of the whole building, we have to calculate the rest of the height. So let's say the length of the rest of the height is 5 centimeters. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base, and perpendicular is 5 centimeters, and it is 60 centimeters from away from building. So the base will be 60 centimeters. So here y will be approximately equal to 20 to 3. So if we want to calculate the whole height, Then we have to add y and 9. So 22 3 is approximate equal to 34. So the approximate height of the building will be 43 centimeters.
In the second, so here I made a bus wire drill. This is not only for a stable hand test, but this is also a very good example of conductor and insulator. As you can see, when we on the switch, here it is paper tape, so the buzzer will not buzz. But when we will be touching this metal wire, this buzzer will buzz. So this is a very good example of insulator and conductor.
What you pasted here?
This is a paper tape.
Paper tape. What you pasted paper tape here?
So now this is an insulator and this is
What is insulator?
insulator. The substances which cannot conduct electric fire are known as insulators.
Number is going constantly with the reference to number and and answer is also a lever. So the number will be 28. So like we picked 17. So on taking the number of terms 17, we get then 17 with the answer 33. Then we automatically condition of the when a 2D code in a line becomes 2D case, and with the help of 2D case, you can make a 3D angle.
This person can solve angles and it is a violin line which is formed by other 9 angles and that some angles are vertically opposite angles. And so that vertically opposite and vertically opposite angles are equal. And corresponding angles are equal and linear pair and adjacent angles will not common after in straight time. And adjacent angles are same vertex, all common angles, non-common angles are in different side and interior angle.
What is your model name?
So some special types of angle.
Handful angle.
Yes.
So but you have taken angle lines and then transversal.
Yes.
So the model is what?
Sir, some special types of angle.
Some special
I'm just saying of class 7C, my model is the digestive system. The digestive system helps us digest the food with the help of enzymes. Digestion begins in the esophagus, where it goes to the stomach, and then in the stomach, bile juice is released by the liver. Bile juice is stored in the gallbladder. Then
Which
the
organ secretes bile juice?
the liver, and then after the
What is the
stomach.
size of the liver? And weight of the liver?
Sir, weight 1.2 kg. Maximum. Yes. And then the food goes.
Make it more nomenclature. What your this project is all about? Make it on a chart. Mention there what your this project is.
Yes.
Okay. Then you do the presentation. Okay. Good.
So the idea is totally based on the lines. A line is an endless path of endless points and it never ends.
Please, it has one end point and one end of the race can go at this.
Point has no length, breadth, and point has no length, breadth or height, and can be drawn with a simple stroke of a pencil.
Like it has 2 end points and it has fixed path. The word segment means the path of. My name is Here's my model which is class 6 This is our model based on algebraic functions and identities. First, we must understand what is this algebra. The algebra is a branch of which deals with the numbers and as well as alphabets letters. Which is known as variable and numbers are called as constants. And here, this is the algebraic expression. What is this algebraic expression? We are using any operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on algebra. It will be considered as algebraic expression. And here are the identities of algebraic expression. As you can see, this is the first plus b whole square. So our answer this is a square plus this one. This one is other ones. So we have completed that. It is not equal. That's why.
Right. If you best complete it and then you best write on everything. That presentation and all it has to be good enough. No? Right. What is the model?
Say it is about green, median, and food. Green is number conservation of number rotation. Imagine there are many numbers, and the midpoint of the middle of the number is called its median, and the number which
Well, this is used.
say it
Median is used when?
When we have to find the middle number,
In the
mean is a sort of also situation. When if you have to find that's personally,
a median.
in this bit for the numbers.
So my name is Soumya Srivastava and myself Aradhya Pandey from Dex of class 9D. So this is our project, the plant complex plant tissues, xylem and phloem. In this project we are showing that how the conduction of food and water are happening in this plant. So conduction of water is done by the xylems from roots to all parts of the plant, especially the leaves, and the conduction of food which helps to grow the plant is done by the phloem in bidirectional. So it is a respiratory system in which in lungs. So in lungs inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide.
What is this?
Sir, this is lungs. So lungs. So lungs. Sir,
These are what?
sir, it is sir lungs.
Make it a nomenclature of everything.
Yes.
Right?
Sir, like this.
So your project must be self-explanatory. Right?
Yes.
And those who are wasting their time just by seeing the project, they will come to know what it is all about. Right? And when you are putting up the inputs, it will be more good. Understood? Right. Make the nomenclature of it. Right? And make it more presentable. Good.
And approvability means and it defines that how an event is going to take place. It is the card has 52 spades divided into 4 suits and ace, jack, king, queen of hearts. The general formula is total number of favorable outcomes upon number of outcomes.
The probability of drawing an ace and a spindle is 1 upon 52, and the probability of drawing a jack is 4 upon 52 or 1 upon 30, and the probability of drawing a king is also 4 upon 52 or 1 upon 13, and the probability of drawing a queen is 4 upon 52.
This can applies everywhere.
Yes.
So you want to tell what? This model.
This we have explained.
This. So this is only the way to find out the probability.
Yes.
No? Right. Number of observation divided by total observation.
Morning sir, this is Nipin Singh of class 6B and I am Sharif Tab Singh of class 6C. Today we are here to prove that the area of dodecagon is 3r square.
So the value of r is the distance from the center to any corner on the dodecagon. Firstly, when we will do one
So
fourth,
decagon.
yes, it is 12-sided. When in 1/4 of the dodecagon, we will get 3 sets of isosceles triangles, and in that triangles we will get both 3 triangles. So when we will fix them at the corner like this, we will get 1 square. 2 squares.
Good, very good.
Today we are here to explain Pythagoras theorem with various methods.
We will take a triangle A, B and C. In this triangle, we will make a square along the hypotenuse C. So the area of this square will be equal to C. And inside there will become a figure square such that this one is B and this is A. So this one will be equal to B minus A. Now, for triangle, area of C square will be equal to 4 times the area of triangle plus this square. Area of 4 times of triangle, this and area of square will be B minus A whole square. After solving this, we will get 2AB. After solving B minus A square, we will get this one. Plus 2AB and minus 2AB will we get cancel out. And then last we will have A square is equal to A square plus B square is equal to C square. That's Pythagoras.
A right angle triangle with sides A, B and C. Now if we align this like it covers the boundary of a square, so a square is formed with the area C square. Now we know that C square is the area of unoccupied area. Then if we arrange them so it makes 2 rectangles, then it is like this. So the area of this square is A square and this square is B square. So now unoccupied area is equal to A square plus B square, and we already know that C square is the unoccupied area. Hence we get that A square plus B square is equal to C square.
With the logic based LCM and LCM, we are going to find the LCM of 5 and 15. We know that if you have to find the LCM of any two number, we need to know the multiples of it. So multiple of 5 will be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and so on, because multiples are infinite. Now we will find the multiples of 15. That will be 50, 30, 45, 60 and so on. Now we will see that which cup has more than one marble. We see that 15, 30 and 45 has more than one marble. But we know that LCM means least common multiple. And between 15, 30 and 45, 15 is least. So it will be LCM of 15 and 5.
Very good.
I am going to explain about a versatile topic of maths called square root. Sir, here you can choose any number below 900 and I will help you find the square root of it using any of the formulas given over here. Please choose a number below 900. Please choose a number.
900.
Yes, sir.
864.
Sir, okay. So you have chosen 864. Which formula do you want to apply? This one? This one?
Tell me, how much is the max?
Sir,
Tell me, this up to you.
sir, we can use this one. So first we have to find the 864. The 864 be n. Then the root of 4n equals root of m. And here m is the closest square to n. The closest square of square to n is 841. So we will do root 841. 841 plus root n minus n upon 2 root m. N is 864 and m is 841. Upon 2 root 841. Then you will get the root 841. 841 is the square of 29. Then you will get 29 plus 864 minus 841. That is 3 and 23. Oh, it's all right. 27 upon 2 root 841. So 58. 258. The root of 864 is 29 plus 27 upon 58. That is it.
So,
Sir,
it will be more number.
sir, this is an approximation. Then you want to find the prime numbers in 864 when apply root 864. All the multiples in root, you find the multiples of all the numbers in 864 and then you eliminate them till 864. You can prove this by let n be a limit. Here 864 is the limit. Suppose the composite number. Sir, it is Phenol camera, the principal.
Is the camera?
Yes. Sir,
Camera for what?
sir, it is a Phenol camera, the principal.
Take it from what project? Inside. Look at here. So what do you have used there? To see the sum? Something. Your name, quantities, complete write up to do there. Right?
Sir, it is a kaleidoscope. It's inside.
So the kaleidoscope is used for what?
Sir, it reflects the light. When the sun
It's the same that what she has made.
No, sir.
It's
So
different.
when the sun rays come inside, it reflects the light and it looks like 3D. Actually, it is not useful, but it is.
Very good.
It can be used as trials, sir.
In?
It can be used as trials and for
Right.
protection.
Yes.
And respiratory system help us to take
What is
oxygen.
your name?
And respiratory system help us to breathe by taking in oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. Air enters through the nose or mouth, travels down the trachea and reaches the lungs. Inside the lung oxygen moves into the blood, and this process is essential for our body to keep our body alive.
Make it more predictable. So the write of the part to the name also, make it a little bigger, right? Like this. Can be displayed on the chart. Your name has to be marked again. Right? What is this? What is this? What is this? How this is what? Okay.
The neuron, which is the basic unit of nervous system, and we are going to show this with using the rights. First, these are the dendrites which receive the neurotransmitter from the axon of another neuron. And first, it receives the neurotransmitter from another neuron. Then it gives to the axon. It gives the axon which transfers it to the axon endings. And this axon endings transfer the neurotransmitter to the another neuron, which the another neuron receives the axon endings silence. And it axon to the axons.
Where it is found in the body.
It is found in the brain and spinal cord and all over the body. And it is largest cell of it. It is longest cell of it.
What is your model name? Where it is mentioned? Always write down the nomenclature, right? What these parts are. It could be mentioned somewhere on a flag. Fine, you are explaining, but it has to be self-explanatory. Right? The parts, okay. On flag can be put here, then this is a solar plate, this is this is a wall, this is a power backup, right? And your model name should be there. Your name, model name, and it should be more self-explanatory. Right? It is a solar plant menu. Good. You have best purchase from market.
Yes, sir. And it is available there. It is unassembled. I have assembled it with its part. It was already principal. Principal tell us that it is
Write down the name of the subject. Right, prepare one chart also. That there you can mention this principle. Right, or not this principle, whatever it may be. Then it will be more self-explanatory. No problem.
yeah, I got a classes. So,
What is your model name?
water and energy. That is when there is space. This book that in a cities and villages. Then we follow that in the city and what is going. And this what
Where it is found in India a lot. Many numbers are there. Bring it. Which state is having more number of windmills and why? See, from the windmill to work, right, we require wind. All the coastal areas, Gujarat, all these places, the flow of the wind is very high. Hence, you will find most of the windmills in Gujarat region. Right?
It's a past 8 and so this is the advisor this page with these drive or dream also all parts of this
What is the function of this? What is the function of this? What is the difference between these two, plant and ember? Animal cell is bigger than plant cell. Oh, that is fine. That is the answer of class 2 child. My first class 8 or 9 child. Animal cell will follow you in plants. To the smaller children, they tell the answer of this. Okay? Okay, lovely.
It is stuff as any other provided information or any other thing. So this can be if you see that we have put some effort. So this is an easy process. It can be also used like on the feed tank or mini tank.
And I'm here to explain about the plant cell. First, this is chloroplast. It is a green gives food by using sunlight through photosynthesis. I am Anushka from the Desktop Class 8B. I am here to explain plant cell. This is chloroplast. It is very lightweight. This is in this cell and it keeps all the parts in place.
What is the purpose of this nucleus?
Sir, it contains the DNA and it also gives the work of the parts of the cell. This is mitochondria. It is the powerhouse of the cell and it gives energy in the form of food.
It's a tool what?
Mitochondria.
Yes, why is it a tool powerhouse?
So it is the main part of the plant cell and because it is a main part because it gives the food in the form of energy.
This is sit with the cytosol bag of the cell.
Rhizome.
Lysosome.
So,
Have you heard the name lysosome?
yes, sir.
What is the function of lysosome? Why it is said to be suicidal but just okay. Yes. Where did you? Where did you?
So far. And
और इस अच्छा बनाना है प्रेजेंटेबल बनाना है राइट इट हैज टू फिक्स ऑन ए कार्डबोर्ड the presentations over there what this is how this is right what principle it is being used there where it is used that has to be explained on a chart paper right so make it more presentable okay
class 7 these are the students friends who are taking this Devansh, Vardhan and sir, we are making one more class. This is not even just the four smaller models. One is hydraulic bridge. This bridge works on the principle of Pascal law. So when we apply pressure over here, sir, that side goes up and then the cars can move. And sir, the second model is safe water collection model, the rainwater tank. When we put press and rain comes, the water flows from there. And so that's for it, the uplift window. So when suppose any calamity comes in this form, so we can uplift the window so that we can protect the shop without problems. And suppose we need to move the window, we can also move this. We can also use the real line.
They're presentable, right? Right on the past.